to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that will make you able to make money from your home. So make sure to follow with me and follow every step. So for this method, we will need two accounts. The first one is a Pinterest.com account and the second one is an Amazon Associates account. And if you want to create your Amazon account, you type in Amazon Associates in your search bar and you will create your account in minutes, and you will wait for it from 24 hours to 48 hours to be approved. And when it's approved, you go to amazon.com and you log in with the email that you used to create your Amazon Associates account, and this gray bar at the top will show which is the bar we will take our affiliate links. So after taking these affiliate links, we will go to Pinterest and search for the posts that are viral on that niche that we choose. So yes, we need to choose a niche. So we will see the posts that are viral on that niche, and we will try to create similar posts to those posts, but we will not going to copy the same posts because Pinterest will deactivate our account. So with that being said, let's see how that works. So first of all, we're going to select our niche, and for me, I will select the interior design and home decor niche. So I'm going to type my niche in interior design and home decor, and I will type search to see the viral posts on this niche. So here we have a lot of products and I like this one. So let's go with this product. So as I said in the beginning, guys, I'm just doing this for tutorial. That's why I'm going to take other creators posts, but for you, I don't want to make the video too long. So for you, I advise you to go to canva.com or look for other pictures and create your own unique posts with your own titles and your own everything. So this is just a tutorial. So after clicking on this image, I will download it, download image, and then I will click on create, and then click on create idea pin, open in new tab. I will proceed to this new tab. There will be able to create my post, drag and drop this image right here, and then I will take the title. So they didn't even give it a title, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can always give it a title, guys, and a description. You can get help from ChatGPT, of course. Then you will proceed to add a link, and for the link you will go to amazon.com. So I'm just going to click on the link that amazon.com left for me. So this is the exact same product. So I'm just going to click on that product. So as you can see, it's for a very good price. We will get a very good commission from this price. So another tip, make sure to always work on the high prices products because they leave a good commission in every purchase. So to take this product link, we click on text right here, and here we can copy the link and go to our post and leave our link right in here. And after you do that, you proceed to the next most important step, which is choosing tags. So guys, make sure to choose as much tags as you can find because tags is the main factor for making a viral post and for reaching the right audience for your niche, because we don't want to show this product to a gardening, to an audience interested in gardening or an audience interested in electronics. We want to show it to the audience that is interested in the home decor and interior design. So that's why we were going to choose just the tags that selects this audience. So let's go with home decor, home interior design, interior design. Anything with interior design, just choose it. Interior designer. So I think with the idea, guys, everything that is related to our topic or our niche, feel free to choose them all. So let's go with modern interior decor, dining room decor, anything that is aligned with this topic, just choose it. Easter decor, and so on. And after you choose all the tags that you want to choose, go to the top and make sure you added everything you wanted to add, your title, description, and those two are very important, guys. This is just a tutorial, so I didn't add them, but for you, I advise you to add them. You make sure your link also works, so you copy the link and you try it on a new tab. See if it will take you to the same page, so our link works. Then we check our tags and we double check if we forgot anything or any tags. Then we click on publish, and in a few seconds our post will be published. So guys, if you want to make money from this method, you need to be consistent. You need to upload from 10 to 20 posts each day, every day, and focus on one niche, because you don't want to mess around with the audience you have. You don't want to have 5% home decor audience and 5% pet care audience. Things will be messy. If you want to work on multiple niches, I advise you to create account for every niche. So with that being said, I think you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.